For sure he blew the account again.
We came up from the weeds. Now it's top floor. All these big gets on the wrist, VVS is on the neck. Make it spin and down stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down broke, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend. I'ma spend it on her, cause she all mine.
Abe posted a picture and the guy said he's in Don's signals and he had over 2,000 pips of combined loss just today.
For my first cake, that we hit on a cake, $500,000 on the way, then $1 million on the way.
And he was taking over 20 positions per trade. 20 positions, that is 30 lots times 20. Right, that's 600 lots. That's fucking outrageous.
Hit the road running, I had to tell her I had to get it.
Yeah.
She understood, but she spoiled, so when she get mad,
yeah. He treated like a demo account. I don't know. That's Don. He's weird.
When I make it stretch, double back to back then. Down road, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best
Everyone in Don Signals and copy trading account, everyone's fucked. He just fucked everybody. There's gotta be like hundreds of people in that.
Spend it on a challenge, cause she all mine. All these big gets on her wrist, VVS is on her neck. Make it spin and down stress. When I make it stretch. Double back to back then. Down road, now we rich. Spend it on a let it spin. Down with me to the end. That my best friend. That my best friend. That my best friend.
That's so scary. That is so scary. 20 positions. Can you imagine? 20 positions of 30 lots. Oh my god.
That my best friend. That my best friend.
So 2,000 pips, and the last time he blew his account, he lost like 600 pips in one trade. God, I can't remember. There was like one 600 pip loss, and I forgot what the other one was. It was huge as well. But damn, 2,000, that's over 3 times. Damn. I wonder if that's a real account he's trading. Because if that's 2,000 pips in his recorded loss, that means he lost like $1 million today. Is that real? I don't know if that's real, man. Is he trading a real account? Could be. I don't trust that guy. He's suspect. Yeah, exactly.
We ready? Who ready? We ready? Motivation to youth only.
Yeah,
Mentally
looks nice.
feel
Same
like
as well.
Kobe. I'm like Jokic with the rock. You physically couldn't hold me. I don't care if you pushing 40. You can never little bro me. Euro step like Ginobili. From young OG to the OG.
Yeah,
From nosebleeds to
yeah, I
floor
just like to watch them.
Circle stronger than Cuban links. My gold dance, your gold plated. You verse me, now that's a reach. We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? We ready?
And I'm also highly suspect of even Wicks because
Who ready?
I remember talking about last time where he even said like he couldn't pass those platform accounts.
I keep dropping back to back. I keep going if you let me. I've been
So
sitting
if
at
he
the
can't
top,
do it,
looking
right,
down at
and
those
he's
who
like
left me. Promise I'm not being petty.
top level
I'm the
trader
one
of that
that
style,
everybody
and he
moving
can't pass it.
Make a million out the
Something's
semi.
wrong.
Plus I grind it from the start. I was stacking pennies. I might dip like Machiavelli. After the confetti, who ready? We ready? 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 Who ready? We ready?
Oh, okay. I'm gonna shut up.
On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up, stay up. Counting all the way up. Count blessings, yeah, you know we pray up, way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up, way up. Now we gon' way up, now we going. On track, now we gon' way up, way up. Now we gon' way up, now we going. Keep the same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, this is 7 seas. I deal with life different, make that limit squeeze. Went off for my style and identity. Better bounce back and get the cheddar cheese. I guess that's why they envy me. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up, way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up, way up. Now we gon' way up, now we going. On track, now we gon' way up, way up. Now we gon' way up, now we going. I got his band like I'm Barry Bonds. Running through the money, but the money's long. I don't love it, but I need it, keep it coming on. Only friendly, me and friends, we don't get along. I put that on my name, that I put them on. I put myself on stage as they sing along. I might book a session, do 100 songs. I'ma let you hear them just to prove you wrong. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up, way up, pray up. On track, now we gon' way up, way up. Now we gon' way up, now we going. On track, now we gon' way up, way up. Now we gon' way up, now we going. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Came for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, and play pretend. Came out the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came out the bench. I'm on my job, I get it done, but you should know that. Shine like a sun, a 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that. All I know, 10 toes, never fold, bang roll, on the go.
What's up, YouTube? How you guys doing? Sorry guys, I wasn't here yesterday because I wasn't feeling good, but I am feeling better today. That's why I'm here. All right. So gold is still bullish overall here on the daily time frame. However, on the lower time frames, like we have a bearish momentum. All right, so daily we have a daily swing high here. Got a daily support. We got another support here. Turn this music down some more. And we've got another support here. Okay, is the music playing for you guys? No. And we've got a support here. Take a look at the 4 hour. Right, so 4 hour, we've got a support here. Resistance here. Right. Previous 4 hour demand here. And we've got one here. Do that for now. Take a look at the 1 hour here. Right, so 1 hour, we've got a support here. And we got a support here. One hour supply. So it looks like on the 30-minute. We're gonna use this 30-minute supply here. Alright, 15-minute. Alright, so looking at the lower time frame here, and see we had a bearish momentum previously, and right now price just gave a, so we have this move to the downside. Now price just gave a deeper pullback, which is pretty much a lower high right now for price to continue to the downside. Now what I'm expecting here on the 15-minute is for price to pretty much pull back a little bit again for us to have a continuation to the downside. And if this keeps falling, then we're just gonna have to wait for a BOS, which is gonna be a break of this support at 25.12, and then we can continue to look for sales. Let's take a look at what we have here on the 5-minute. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait for price to pull back to that 30-minute supply again. So that's what we need to wait for right now. This candle just freaking damaged the supply we could have had on the 5. Alright, so pretty much need a support to be formed now. Hey, Denny, Tony, Gideon, how you guys doing? Yeah, I feel better, David. Thank you. Traded Asian session yesterday. Thank you, Ade. Thank you all. Yeah, I feel better. Pretty much good for buys is either we break this daily swing high above 25.32, then we can look for buys, or gold comes down more potentially. I like to buy around here, this 15-minute demand here. That is pretty much going to be my buy zone. Pretty much, if gold can just pull back to this 1 hour supply here, since this 1 hour candle did not close right above this 1 hour supply that I have marked now, if we can get a rejection from there on the lower time frame, like the 15-minute, that's good. And then we can take sales below this support. And I'm expecting gold to break this 1 hour support. It goes back to the 30-minute supply, that's even better. Just need a support formed.
Damn, David, why are you so greedy, man? You couldn't be content with just taking the huge win on the sells. You had to take the huge win on the buys right after. This guy just wants to catch all the pips.
Good morning, K-Notes. Morning, Palmer. Do I trade all sessions? Yeah, we trade Asia, London, and New York. So when opportunity knocks, I answer. If we get what we're looking for here, we just need to get a support. We might potentially have a 60 bip stop loss. What I'm looking at on futures, entry is going to be right here, which is to like this bearish wick is so close to where this line is at 25.16 on futures.
Oh yeah.
So for gold, that means we're gonna have a early entry on Forex. Potentially, maybe it will be somewhere around here. We'll see. You see what I'm talking about, Wow?
Yeah, it's really big.
It's a huge difference.
I noticed that yesterday with the futures and Forex chart. There was like a sell setup up over here because it was rejecting the supply to the left, but on the futures chart, it was like up over here. It hadn't even touched it yet.
Yeah. It be like that sometimes. Good morning, Samuel.
Oh, and like 2 hours after we ended Asian session, like YouTube suggested me a video about about like Apex videos about, gammed and stuff. And it like was just posted 15 minutes ago when it recommended it to me. I'm like, man, the way the world works.
You already did. Did you watch it?
Yeah, I watched. I was like, oh, snap. That person that they did all the things that Apex asked them to do, the video recordings, and that lady, she did 6 video recordings because the first one wasn't good enough, and then she did subsequent ones, and still not paying her.
Oh, wow.
And apparently she teaches trading. She's a part of Al Brooks, I guess, students, and she's one of the top students, so she teaches people as well, has her own Discord and stuff. I've never learned
That's
anything about
crazy.
Al Brooks, but Lucian's talked about him before, that he's uh, some really old trader, good trader from really long ago.
Wow.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Morning. Man, has anyone ever learned or heard of Al Brooks other than Lucian?
No, I don't know who he is. I don't know who he is.
I don't believe you don't hear about Albrook. I think he's the best pattern trader. He has the data like 20 years. He has all the data from is a pattern trader 1 minute, and he knows like 70% of the time when New York open, you will have 7 candles in a row. From this hour to this hour, we will have 50% of the time this number, 70% of the time the market it's in a range, and yeah, he's a genius.
Right. If this candle flips bearish, gets to the entry, we are taking this. Nice rejection already on the 5 minute. We wait on the 15 minute.
Yeah, but he's a scalper, Albrook.
He's probably not big on marketing. He looks like an old guy, so he's probably like legit.
Yeah, you can listen one podcast on him. Yeah, he's very good, and you can.
What did you say? What did you say his name was?
Albrook.
Al Brooks.
Al and then
Space.
BROO.
Al space. Yeah. It is. Yeah, it's a price action and scalper. And
Oh, he's old. Oh, that's why.
yeah, he's old, and he has a lot of data.
Okay. You see, it's got a lot of older people too. That's what I want.
And,
I noticed something about these people. They don't seem to have like tattoos and Lambos.
yeah, the legit ones. Yeah.
Very true.
He was a doctor in the beginning, and he lost $2,000 in one trade, and he thought, man, if I can lose $2,000 in a trade, I can make a lot of money, so I need to be serious about that. And he quit
man, I like that mindset.
he give up his very paid job as a doctor, and he start trading because he knew it, man. If you can lose $20 so easy, that means you can make $20 if you give it the time. Yeah.
Very nice.
And that's true. That's a fact.
That's the mindset of the glass half empty or glass half full kind of person.
But he trades like candle, 5-minute candle, 1-minute candle. If this closer like this, he take profit here. The stop loss is like, it's just scalper, and he has like 200 patterns that he back tested, and he observed in the market like in 20 years. But the best are double tops and double bottom and double tops.
Lucian, how long have you been trading?
6 months.
How the fuck do you know all this stuff?
What?
What's going on?
I thought like 4
What
years.
the fuck's going on?
No mind, he's been trading more than 6 months.
Don't lie to me,
6 months
Lucian.
I trained for real, but I was a professional YouTube watcher, so for 3 years I studied all the YouTube university.
University of
Yeah.
YouTube.
I tested all of them.
You were with Max for a little bit, right? Stop loss matters.
Yeah. Till he quit.
He did, yeah, he did. Bless him.
Yeah, it was a good time, but I like it with Max, but like Nelly Furtado say, all the good things come to an end.
Yeah.
And you're with time to eat, right?
Yeah. But now time to eat, it's not on a good track. Yeah, this
Man,
is
good.
when you don't need to quit and change your strategy all the time. If you still make the same thing,
Edwin said, wait, we don't talk about time to eat, yeah?
Yeah, man, I was gonna say no bad mouthing.
no. It's a very good person, but really, that's not a problem with him.
Oh,
But
yeah,
you can
time
have
to
like
eat.
3, 4. You can have three bad months.
Not gonna lie, I wanted to make a joke, but you know,
You're on
I had
YouTube.
to hold
I
back.
will not recommend it.
Time to eat is good, actually. Very disciplined trader
Yeah.
compared to some people.
Please don't leave us, Abe. Please don't go anywhere. Please don't quit.
I'm not
We're
going anywhere.
good people.
Look, I'm here. I'm not fully 100% yet, but I'm here.
When I don't trade Asian, I usually make my own analysis and I take the trade by my, and then I go to see if they take the same trade. But today I didn't saw this trade.
Oh, you didn't
I
see the
think
sales?
no.
Hmm.
Yeah, I still have
We took the
not
sales on the
eagle eyes.
We took the sales on the 5-minute right here. He
Yeah, I
gave it
didn't
1 to
saw the
1. He gave it 1 to 1, but we just got our 50% and call it a day.
I didn't saw the boss. I think this was the boss and then the retest.
Yeah, pretty
And
much.
I don't know why I remained focused on buys because of this move.
What?
Yeah, I agree with Edwin. I did expect it to eventually shoot up.
You did?
Yeah.
Usually when you have
So-
this type of move,
So when we
don't trust this
when we
sales.
started trading Asian session, I was expecting sales. I wasn't.
Oh,
I didn't see no BOS until this gets taken out. That's the BOS. You guys know why?
Yeah, because that's the one that made the higher high.
Yeah.
But I was expecting it to shoot up mainly because I was thinking it would go down lower, possibly retest this area
Mm-hmm.
or shooting up because
Mm-hmm.
like Edwin showed, when you have like this kind of like super choppy, grindy pattern, it usually wants to rip it right up in one big move,
Mhm.
which is
Yeah,
what it ended
Which
up
is
it's
what
like
which is what it
50-50.
did here.
You can see also this one. Slowly down and then the temp.
No, that's very
But-
rare though.
You don't have any good demand here. Only this is also the 1 hour support. But no real demand here.
That's the reason why I didn't see all this as
Yeah,
a
this is-
clean
yeah.
clean BOS until this
Yeah,
gets
this is
taken out.
also not a good demand because of this. I don't know. Only this is a 1 hour support.
Yeah. We could see buys from here. And even if it does reject this demand here, I'm just expecting it to do this, faking the buyers, and then boom. If it does not push up from where we are right now, we're gonna continue to the downside. But this one here will be the zone to hold.
I bet we're gonna test this during New York news.
Oh yeah, we got news today. Yeah, if we do not break the highs, pretty much 25.32. Have I heard of Abe Forex? Yeah, I've heard of it. So if we do take a sell, guys, stop loss is going to be 60 pips. It might be, the stop loss might be lower with Forex, but futures is going to be 60 pips, so we're just going to go with that.
That 25.12 level is no joke. You see what it did from there yesterday, and then again this morning.
25.12.
Yeah, you see where you got your line there. You see what it did yesterday.
It was the Asian session consolidation where it just wouldn't pull back for us.
Oh yeah, the day before, yeah.
It was exactly the same time in the morning yesterday that it moved up like that.
Oh man, look at that. Look at that. The Asian session defended the exact same area.
Yeah, exactly. And it's just, I think, if I'm right in saying this was just news. This moved down.
Yeah.
Man, it is tough not to get married to the bias of every time sort of gold makes a move up. It's right, all-time highs. This is it now. This is it. 25, 50. Here we go. Here we go. Buy and hold.
I don't know. It's easy to see buys on gold and sells, especially all like the whole month. Every dump it's then pump it hard.
And if you look at the daily chart, man, look at that thing. It's like smashing into the highs. It wants to break it so bad.
Sellers are saying no.
But each time the sellers step in, they get less and less.
When you see these men, this is it, and they can manage to break the Asian low.
Yeah, that's because New York says fuck Asia, and then just smashes through that shit.
But I think when everyone start buying the gold, then we'll see the real sales. Yeah, you can watch us on the weekly candle and see how it looks, and you can think how. Let's see what the weekly candles, because today it will close the weekly candle. But We can close with big bullish candle, or we can close doji the weekly. I don't know. I see it bullish the weekly. It will close highs.
I mean, if you look at the higher time frame, you can only see bullish.
Yeah. Higher time frame, you can only see buys. But if you look at the 4 hour, look at how many times we rejected that resistance.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times now.
Yeah, so I said the sellers just keep saying no.
But each time the lows keep getting higher and higher.
We get back up to that 4 hour high, the sellers be like, nope. We were already waiting for you guys, so it's our turn now.
Man, can you imagine that if you just been selling the highs, how much you can get out of it? It's like, Jesus.
Yeah, especially the first 2 ones.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But hey, if you're a dip buyer, you always win as well because it keeps going right back up.
Mm-hmm.
I think Samuel is generally a cycle. Everything goes in cycles and seasons. There might be a month where GJ is amazing, unbelievable, and gold sucks. But I think over a long period of time, you'll see that gold is actually just more respects price action a lot more and respects structure.
Yeah, gold is bay.
Gold is bay. Gold is bay.
Pretty much.
GJ's, there's too many. I don't like the fact that at any point someone could do a speech and it just fuck everything up.
Yeah, if you've been watching me for a while, you know that before GJ was bad to me, but no, not anymore. I divorced her real quick.
My next move, my next plan, it is I want to have 3 100k accounts and copy trading them, but in the first one I will risk only 0.5, in the second one 1%, and in the third one 1.5%. And doing like this, you can manage risk, spread risk. If you have a good month, you will win on all. If you have a bad month, at least one account will not be so down in drawdown. Because if you have 3 accounts and risk it equally on all 3, if you have a bad month, you will lose all the 3. It's not a
Wait, you're gonna copy trade all 3 accounts?
Yeah, but with different risk. 0.5
okay.
per trade, 1 and 1.5.
Sorry to break it to you, Lucian. That's not gonna work.
Why?
I'll tell you why. So this one's gonna be heavily up, right? Because you win. This one's gonna be modestly up because you win. You're all taking the same trades. Then when you lose, all the profits disappear from this one, the same rate as this one. So they both end up in the same place.
Yes, but when you lose 6 trades in a row, on this one you're only 3% down.
Yep.
Yes. And on this one you're 6.
And then when you win 6,
with this one, when you are
this
5%,
cancels out the loss. And then when you win 6, this cancels out the loss. They're both at 0.
Yeah, but you have room to trade still. This is the important one. Because if you risk 1% on all, when you have a bad week or a bad month, you will have it on all 3. But if you risk only 0.5, you will lose like 0.1 and you have still room. with this 1.5 you can lose your account, for example, if you have a 7 loss in a row. But with this 0.5 you still have it.
Man, if you ask me, shit, to keep it freaking simple, just do it one by one.
Yep. You see, Edwin and Killbeater Sin rotate, and I think that's a better idea. You rotate between the accounts, so then they're not exposed to the same trades. Because if they're all exposed to the exact same trades, the only difference you're creating is one gains less and loses less, one gains more and loses more. But at the end of the day, they end up in the same place percentage-wise. You know what I mean? Just one's more extreme and one's less extreme. But I understand what you're trying to say. You're trying to protect it from being blown up because you're trading a funded account.
Yeah, but with this, with 1.5%, you can stop, and this you secure at least one salary for month, and you still trade these 2 ones.
Gideon said theoretically
3 or 5%.
You both are correct. Rumor has it done those scam people. Oh my god.
Man, I want to talk about that, but I'm going to hold myself back. Because I already talked about it at the start of the stream.
I feel bad for the dude. If I say what is on my mind, YouTube will call me a savage.
What did I miss?
Stop trying to bait me, Pi.
Oh, I wasn't here. I wasn't here yesterday. What happened?
Man, now it makes me want to talk about it more.
Okay, well, slide into my DMs and tell me. I need to know. I need to know what happened.
Well, all I'm gonna say is that I feel so. If what they're talking about is true, I feel sorry for those people, and at the same time, I don't, because that's what you get for looking for an easy way out, for looking for fast money. You or they should have made a decision to be able to do this on my own. During Asian session, we were talking about how I wasn't available yesterday, but in my Discord over here, a lot of people were taking trades on their own. That's what your goal should be, not freaking trying to copy somebody. You should be willing to learn how to trade on your own. Because if you're still waiting on somebody, you're pretty much still an employee. You're still pretty much working 9 to 5. Whoever you're copying trades from, that's your boss. Because if your boss is not available, then you fucked. There's nothing you can do. You have no way to make money. So that's why I said, feel sorry for them, at the same time I don't. That's that.
But it still helps to have it online. Like
I just want to say, sorry, go ahead.
Go.
Wait, before you guys talk. Crack said, I'll look for another boss. And there you go. You're just going to keep going in circles. You're going to keep looking for another boss and you remain stagnant. You're not going to move forward. So keep looking for another boss.
Yeah, the real boss you can find is this one. BOS. Still break it, take the sell. This is the real boss.
So I just want to take a book out of Pi's book, take a page out of Pi's book and say, like, during London session in the private Discord. I called out both my trades, so sign up, $100 a month, let's go. Wall signals. Both wins.
Don't steal my business.
Yeah, we even have new entry type name, like the alien entry. It will be like this candle. No top wick, no bottom wick. This will be the alien entry. We have the cobra pattern that it work very good. So we just need another name and we have it for the course.
Gideon said, "Wow, that's no fair. I wanted to sell my course."
but with me, you're guaranteed at least 5 pips every trade. So come on, guys, come on.
But in the end, the pips doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is the signals. When you have signals, it's okay. Don't matter the pips, because the people, they want only signals. They don't want to win.
It's true.
What people need to understand is it does not even matter the type of industry you're in. There's no shortcut. There's no shortcut. There's no one else that's gonna help you. You gotta help yourself. If you're here thinking, oh, somebody's gonna help you do this, or you're just gonna copy trade somebody else, or pretty much take signals from somebody else, you're just wasting your time. It's not you versus me, it's you versus you. You're the only one that can help yourself, man. You.
If you want to copy trades, you go on copy trader like IC Market or C Trader, you'll find there like 100 traders with trades. You can copy trades from there, and you pay.
And the only way you can get there faster, pretty much, that means get to your goal faster, is to look for. That'd be wrong too. Is to look for a mentor in that industry that you're looking to get to. Look for that mentor, so this mentor will be able to guide you to where you want to go. You can do it on your own. There's nothing wrong with that, because that's what I did. But it's going to take you time. So to get there faster, you look for a mentor that you resonate with, and then you just get started with them. That's how you can get there faster. But if you think you're just gonna copy signals, copy trades, you're just wasting your time.
That would have been so much better if you had spelt mentor right.
I didn't?
No, you fucked it up.
Oh yeah, I didn't.
No, the first one was right.
No, it wasn't. No.
Because if you divide the name, you actually have the definition. Thor the man, because Thor is the strongest. You need the strongest man. Thor is the man.
Hey, I'm just getting better. Don't judge me. The evolution rescued me. Yeah, what I had was a sinus infection. Did I see Raja's new tweet? No. Where is it? It's on his Instagram?
What'd he say?
I always want to know what Raja is talking about. Where is he? 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 Man, where's this tweet? Let me just search for it. Raja Banks, where you at? Stories. It's probably in the story.
All right, so I'm gonna. You know, honestly, there's so much money in Dubai.
Yeah, we know. I don't know where it's at.
I said on
Twitter. Oh, on Twitter. I don't have my. Wait, do I even have Twitter?
Man, someone just fucking post a screenshot. Copy paste it for us.
Yeah, that's better. Copy paste, send it to the Discord so we all see it.
Wall.
Yeah.
Is the thing that you can't talk about? Is it related to the Discord chat yesterday about someone?
Yes, and also
Okay.
Abe's picture too.
Okay. Yeah, I'll have a look.
I'll be able to discuss it freely in the New York session.
Can't wait.
Yeah, Edwin, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use this minor support here, but we're gonna use futures to get in the trade because of the way futures look. It's gonna be an early entry on Forex though, so I'm guessing on Forex our entry is probably going to be somewhere around here, around 2517.13. Oh, you don't trade futures, so you can't see what I'm talking about. Let me just show you guys. So look, so this is the futures chart right here. See how this looks compared to what we have on Forex. So that's why we're using the futures chart.
So the futures charts touch this demand?
No.
Wait, that whole section?
No, it didn't touch the demand.
This week. I think he...
Oh yeah, futures touched this week. Yeah, futures
touched it on the very next candle. On the 30, that is.
Nice. Because I was afraid about this entry. If we enter here, we go, we touch here, we reject, and then we go down.
No, if it gets to this entry on futures, we're coming down.
Yep.
Because now, looking at this right now, 30-minute supply. Actually, there is a 1 hour supply that this bullish candle actually rejected from. So this bullish candle rejected 1 hour supply, 30-minute supply. And right now, we are currently rejecting another 1 hour supply as well. So if it gets to this entry on futures, pretty much start breaking this low, we're coming down. So we're not rejecting one supply, but two supplies. Oh, we sent the post to Discord. Let's see. found that Dominion Market and Magic is building an ecosystem for all retail traders, one pip at a time. Apparently today Donvo crashed the MAM account on Blueberry Markets. Damn, Raja. Yeah, me and him are cool, but having a profit-loss agreement on a broker and crashing a MAM account on purpose for a little gain, that is not... Whoa! Raja is saying he did it on purpose? Is that what Raja is trying to say here? I mean, he has a broker,
It
so...
looks like he's...
Excuse me, guys. I mean, he has a broker, so... he knows about stuff like this. I mean, but to say he's doing it on purpose, man, I don't know.
You can do it.
Yeah, I'm not sure if he did on purpose, but I was saying like at the very start of the stream that it's like it's suspect. It's very suspect.
He lost 95% of his investors' account. Oh man.
What the hell?
Yeah, he has the money for retirement. He'll go on Iceland and... I think this is not legal.
What's not legal?
To do something like this.
Yeah, it's not. If he really did it on purpose, man, that's not good.
I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure if you're going to do that, you have to be accredited or have a license.
To do what?
To have an investor's account and manage funds like that in part of a MAN account, I'm sure you have to have some sort of license.
Oh,
it's effectively financial advice.
Yeah, but no, they don't.
Yeah. Let's see.
You need to have a very, very good deal with your broker to make something like this.
Yeah, I'm sure you did. Someone said something else. Oh, you can win. There's a guy who went from 50K down to 3K and a guy who had 120K. That's me. I put all my money in MAM and I am desperate right now. I could buy a house and now I need to work for that for, oh my God, for 4 years. Laid in bed tonight with only suicide. Oh my freaking God. Suicidal thoughts.
Yeah, this thing happens.
This is sad.
Man, what the fuck?
I don't. You need to. I don't know.
No, I can't read that.
Yeah, I don't think it's on purpose because.
Don't worry, I can read it. Want me to read it out for you?
Thank you, man. Because you're like, please, Walt, read it for us because we have hearts.
See, you guys forgot to read the little part that at the top where he was replying, and it said there's a guy who went from 54K down to 3K, and a guy who went from 120K down to ...
Man, when you have this money to play with, it's not a problem, but with your life spendings, man, oh man.
Yeah, like, why would you trust someone else with that
because
type of
3-4
money?
years on YouTube, looks like a very good guy.
Yeah,
3 years, 4
just
years.
learn from him then. Don't learn from him and do it on your own.
Yeah, but are people that they don't want to trade, just to invest his money. So they don't trust banks, they don't trust pension funds. But he find the guy on YouTube, and I trust this one because it's funny. I give him the money. And
I tell you, man, the amount of pressure that comes with trading people's accounts is worse than what I'm doing right now on YouTube. This is pressure as well, but actually managing someone else's account, even if it's one person, it's a lot of pressure, not to talk of hundreds or thousands of people. It's a lot of pressure.
Yeah, you need experience, and
even with experience, it's a lot of pressure. If you're not careful, that pressure can get to you. If you have one loss, if you're not careful, man, you want to freaking make it back. Nah.
But with the fund managers, when you give the money, you sign the contract. When you give the money it's on the manager account. He's on his decision. He makes what he wants to make, and you agree you can lose all your money. So.
Like, even though Don is young and all that, he should know better. He's been doing this for like, what, 4 or 5 years?
Yeah.
Why would he lose all this money? Where comes his little gain from? I can't see the logic. Well, with brokers, they don't have to take your actual trade.
Yeah.
There's A book, B book, so if there's something really shady going on, they could have just B booked it, meaning they're not actually taking your trades. So all that loss of yours goes straight to the broker's pocket.
Yeah.
Doesn't go to the market.
Yeah, and broker give you back. And the brokers remain with the investors' money.
If you check his trades, it took like 30 trades. 30 trades in one day?
I think he probably means positions.
Yeah, pineapple.
Yeah.
Yeah, he pineapple.
Because we've seen him do it.
The whole forest.
Yep. He'll pineapple that whole fucking forest.
I don't know. I don't think it's true, but I know people that are doing much bigger things.
If you want to make a PAM account work for you, that's not how to do it. Well, like I said earlier, man, you just gotta do it on your own. Learn how to do this on your own. Those of you that are thinking about, joining a PAM, MAM, whatever they call it, this should be a wake-up call for you. This should be a wake-up call for you. Go ahead, Lucian.
The actual name is like Pac-Man. No. They eat all. And the funny thing is, next year or 2 years, we will have a new YouTube account and with new 20k subscribers, because this is like this. The people.
And he'll be wearing a face mask and he'll call himself, fuck, I forgot his name. What's that dude's name?
Who?
Dude with the fucking balaclava?
Oh, Callisto.
Callisto, and then he'll call himself Callisto FX.
This is the man. If you want to make money real quick, you can go there. It's entertainment. It's like a show. Yeah, go, Chinatown. Oh, yeah.
It took trades literally minutes apart, not his typical pineapple. Oh, wow.
No, he's done that. He's definitely done that before.
You in his Discord, the whipping post? To be honest, you should trust me with a MAM account. Nope. Don't do it.
Abe. Tommy's just asking, can we explain why we're looking for sales? He doesn't understand why sales.
Oh, okay. So let's go to the 4-hour real quick. So you have your daily swing high at 25.31 pretty much, and you have 4-hour resistance right here. This was the first one. Went up here, rejected. Went back up, rejected. So we're struggling to reject this I mean, to break above this resistance. That's number one. Now, as long as we do not break above 25.31, we can still fall. That is why on the lower time frame, on the 15 minute, let me delete out this real quick before I go to the 15 minute. Okay. All right, so now on the 15 minute, which is the time frame we trade on, if we do not break above this swing high, there is no buy. Now, since we created another resistance here, you pretty much have this push to the downside. Okay, now price has to create a lower high in order for it to continue to the downside, which is what we have here. The first thing, we rejected pretty much two supplies here, 30-minute and 1 hour supply, okay, which is now a lower high. So since we now have a lower high, we're expecting price to continue to the downside to create a new low, which is going to be a lower low of this high at around 25.28 or so. Okay, so we have a lower high now. We're expecting price to create a lower low. Is price actually going to create a lower low? We don't know yet, because price could just come down here and pretty much create another support right here, push up a little bit, faking buyers, and then now break this low to continue to the downside. So we have a overall bullish structure with a bearish momentum on the lower time frame. I hope that makes sense now.
No, stupid.
Only went for coffee.
Sorry, Tommy, I didn't see your question.
I think we can all agree this is where it's at. This is the community you want to be in. This is the education you need.
This is as real as it gets, because there's a lot of other groups where it's questionable whether or not they're legitimate, or if it's just like almost like an entertainment value thing.
Yeah.
What happened to Raja? Nothing happened to Raja. When am I opening a mama account? Never.
A's would be ham. Ham.
I say ham. I account management.
I'm going to open one called Strategic Corporate Account Management, or Scam.
Well, take over for me real quick. I'll be right back. Gotta make my tea, medicine I take.
So the other time that he took those pineapples literally minutes apart was posted before as well. Months back, I remember. He just kept adding and adding until he started adding 2 lots, 2 lots, 2 lots until it vaporized his account.
Oh, you just couldn't help yourself.
Yeah, I just had to finish getting that off my chest, you know.
Man, when I thinking I follow it, Don also like for 3 weeks, man, but I give up. And I don't have enough money for this guy.
Or he gave it to the other guys.
Yeah, I need to find someone good quick.
Yeah, Gideon. That's because those people dumb as fuck. Can you imagine? Can you imagine the thought process going through their tiny little brains?
My mind is just blown the differences in years. Like last year, hit the million, everything was great. I mean, you know, that's a great time to bow out. Great job. Don't change anything. Live happy, whatever. But this year, just like it's just gone full YOLO, like kind of self-destruct mission.
I think this year he hit the 10 million.
In losses.
No. From mom account and others businesses. Who knows?
Too much, too young, I think. You know what? That's possible. He's very young. So yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah, I think
also, yeah. Also, power and money, it corrupts people. So, you know, there's always that.
And the brokerage also are corrupt. And you can think what you want, like I will say BB he spoke with D. Okay, this year we'll make 1 million. You'll have a lot of viewers, you'll have a lot of people for next year to open a See Me, and then we'll make big money. I don't know. They come with all kind of ideas and businesses with big YouTubers. They have a lot of subscribers. They disappear for 2 years and they come back with a mask and the singing trader. Come on, let's do it.
How old is he? I don't know. I think he's like 25 maybe, like something like that, or 24, early 20s. Okay, this is better. Get up there, reject the higher one. Confirm to us that you can't get past that. That means major failure. If it can't break above here, then that means this low won't hold, which means we have to get down there.
Pretty much. If it holds, We're gonna have entry pretty much around here.
Beautiful.
50 pips. Hey, for momentum, you only look for the current session because otherwise we're making higher highs, higher lows. No, we're not making higher highs yet.
We're just making equal highs. If we look out on a larger time frame, like if you expand this chart to your left, you'll see it.
Yeah,
look at this support at 25.03. It created this high. So in order for us to have what you're talking about, Mitch, 25.28 needs to be taken out.
Găleată.
Huh?
Sorry, my wife asked where I left the fish because yesterday I go fishing and where is the fish? Is because my cat are eating the fishes. Damn, I need to go.
Yeah, kiddo bait, potential, low high. That's why you see right here I say buy as sells for now. Now, if this
dollar is
if this high at 25.24 gets taken out, in order for me to take a sell, I'm going to wait for a BOS, which is going to be this 25.17 before I look for sales. If 25.24, this high gets taken out, I'm looking for buys at that point.
Life Passion says dollar is dropping. Gold could fly.
It could.
I don't like it when people keep mentioning the dollar versus gold because it's so much more than that. You know, it's like you can't directly correlate. Sorry, go ahead.
Had a better demand here or here, maybe we can take the buy because we broke this and it's a nice move, but we don't have nothing strong here. Take the buys.
Yeah, nothing strong there to the left.
Got this, but it's not really valid.
Yeah.
And it's already been tapped by that candle before it.
It's not really valid but working. So
yes,
what looks ugly sometimes it works.
Yeah, that's the thing about supply and demand. Even the invalid ones will hold if it wants to hold. That's why, like, in this industry, in this market, you just never know. All we do is speculate, anticipate. That's all we do. We don't know for sure what's going to happen.
You have two chances. You will take them all, or you try to be picky.
Yeah.
Or you take them all
and also, you know, there's probabilities involved, right? So you have those kinds of demands, which is low, very low probability.
And that's one of the reasons why I use all time frames, demand and supply zones, because you might not have a clean demand on the lower time frame, but on the higher time frame, there will be a very clean demand or supply there. That's why I use them all. And also I figured, okay, if I'm marking up my support and resistance zones, I'm doing all my analysis using all time frames, then I might as well do the same thing for my supply and demand zones. So those are the two reasons why I just use them all. Instead of just focusing on the 15-minute time frame demand and supply zones, since I take my trades on the 15-minute time frame, I just use all the time frames. And you guys have seen it multiple times. We have 30-minute supply, demand, 1 hour, 4 hour, and they hold, we're in.
What can I say? We like to go in.
We break above 25.24, close above it. We're looking for buys.
No, you can't correlate, but sometimes gold follows the XY, which has been the case lately. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's, gold is related to DXY a bit, but it's also related to yields and interest rates a bit. And then it's also related to geopolitics, war and stuff a bit. So I'm not going to have the news channel open on my left, the yields on my right, the DXY above me, and then gold in the center. I'm not going to do that.
Yeah, that's why the other day I said, if you're looking for a pair to correlate with the dollar, it's better you use currencies like GU, AU, EU, pairs like that, not really gold. That's just my own opinion.
But we are not so concerning about geopolitics and analytics because we have our master in group. He can make analysis for us. So
yeah,
we handle this.
Hashtag PyFX.
Yeah.
PFA.
That's actually a good name, PFA.
It is.
Yeah, go to break 25.24 now with this type of candle. Yeah, it should, because now you've had this support, minor support here, and now we've pretty much created another one here. It should break it.
If it breaks it, then it kind of tells you that the futures chart is more accurate.
Need to be more accurate because you need to pay for this chart. This is the free one. This is the free one. This is the paid one.
I just deleted my pending orders on futures.
Oh, and I wasn't really paying attention to gold properly yesterday during the news during New York, but I was telling the guys if it came and took out this low, I'd be aggressively looking for buys, like trying to get a buy real low time frame, and it never did on this chart. On the futures chart, it tapped it. It took it out by like a couple pips, like 2-3 pips.
Oh, and you guys didn't take it?
No, I didn't notice. I was looking at NAS.
Oh.
And then by the time we were looking for the buys, it was like up here, and then the hourly candle went straight up. So it never made the bottom wick. So I'm like, it's probably going to flip. Then it did flip, and then your entry would have to be, even higher up. And it's like, I don't know anymore.
I took this buy on gold, and I took the US30 buy also. But this is one account, a US30, and not one account, so separately. Was both
nice.
A nice winner.
Yeah, if I was available yesterday, we would have taken these buys too. Looked at it during And I woke up yesterday, I'm like, man, this is actually nice.
Lucian told us yesterday, he's like, I'm going out, forget trading, taking the day off. And then it's like, I took gold, I took US 30.
Yeah, I forgot my PC open and I come here to take my glasses and I saw it. And this was the moment that I knew it will be a winning trade. And then I go fishing also, but my cat eat my fishes, so I need to go another time.
No, and also real quick, so if we fail to break above 25-24, I'm gonna wait for an aggressive push to downside. Even if we do not break this first minor support pretty much with 25-18, then the push back, and then we'll look to take this out. This is the setup we're going to look for to take for sales. But this should actually break above 25-24. Not with this freaking engulfing candle. Because this bullish engulfing candle now broke above this minor high. But we still need to break above 25-24. Then we can look for buys.
And it's an alien candle.
Once we have the closure above 25-24, this 4-hour resistance, I'm deleting it. We're just gonna use the daily swing high. And we'll mark up this demand here. And then the 30-minute demand as well. Because if we're gonna fall, we shouldn't close above 25-24.
Wow. This guy's saying, I only trade gold. I don't even have trading view. I wake up, open my MT5 and mark up my levels. And the last time I opened up the XY chart was 2 years ago. Man, marks up on MT5. What a beast.
Yep,
I struggle to even move that chart around.
Yeah, I can't mark up my charts on MT5. Yeah, you really don't need DXY. If you trade, you really don't need it. If you trade gold. But hey, some people look at it.
Oh, don't forget to cancel your pending orders, Abe.
Oh, I already did.
Okay.
Yeah, I said it earlier that I canceled it.
Okay. Keep your shit simple. Well, can't get much more simple than what you're doing.
Spring, 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 spring.
Yeah, I saw you talking yesterday. I didn't go live on Discord, but I cannot go live. I tried, but I don't know why. Don't working anymore. The voice channel.
No, you should be able to.
I have like locks here on voice.
Hmm? You have what?
Like this, how it called, like when it's lock.
Oh. You can just go to where is it?
Ah.
Oh yeah, right here.
No, it's working.
Yeah, Wally's on there. You know Wally's on there. I'm not sure if I made it only for private though. Gonna have to see if I did.
I think
I
now
don't
it's
think
working.
my voice is working. I'm talking on the Discord, but it does not appear to be sending.
Yeah.
Lucian should be.
Can you hear me on Discord?
Now you only see my screen, I think, but I cannot speak.
You're able to speak well, right?
Yeah, I'm talking, but it's not showing me talking, so
Yeah,
I guess it's not working.
Let me see if
the mic is not working.
Let me see if I join. Maybe you here. Why say something?
Hello. Ah, wait, my mic is on Zoom.
Nah, I'm talking, but clearly it's not.
Wait.
What about you, Abe? Can you talk on the Discord?
Yeah, I'm talking right now. Do you hear me? No?
No. Nothing's coming through for Discord.
Output device. Oh.
Maybe it's because you're connected to Zoom?
Maybe.
Alright, I'll kill Zoom for a second.
We can't hear you using Microsoft. What the hell? Oh, it's probably because Zoom is on as well. That's why. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, that's probably why.
Nah. Doesn't work. Kilby fucking tricked me. He just wanted me to leave Zoom.
Yeah. Yeah, that's why. So, man, how do I freaking end this? Yeah, it's probably because we're on Zoom, that's why.
No. I closed Zoom and I tried talking.
Still the same, man?
You guys couldn't. Yeah. Normally if I talk on Discord, it'll show my picture will like highlight. It'll like show like a little thing as I'm talking, like halo around it or whatever.
Yeah, I'll work on it later.
Yeah.
Man, this tea makes me sweat when I drink it. Man, I'm sweating. Oh, shit. Excuse my language, guys. Did we go for a buy yet? Not yet. Oh, where's the BAD? Oh, looks like we got a new person on Zoom. Bad, when did you join? I'm just seeing you for the first time. Oh, you didn't just join today. When did you join?
Around for applause for bed. Welcome, man.
When? Today?
Yes.
Nope. Not today. I should have got. I don't
know if today, but
I should have got a confirmation if you joined today. That was what I was looking for. I didn't see it. So not today. Okay, this candle close in 2 minutes. Yeah, we definitely should close above here. You joined today, New York City time zone. Well, I should have got a confirmation if you did. I didn't get it. So, nope.
Screenshot the, the payment thing, and then just send it to Abe.
Yep, do that if you did just join today. I'll know for sure because anyone that joins, I get a confirmation, and I don't see it. So screenshot it. Where's it? Okay, 30-minute demand. We officially looking for buys, guys. You see this 30-minute demand here? This candle right here touched it on futures. Touched it on futures.
Bastards. This is why in the past when you didn't use it, the futures chart, they come here, don't tap the demand and go fly, and we waiting the tap, and the tap was on futures.
You did not join the mentorship, you joined the Discord? What the hell? If you joined the Discord, how did you get a Zoom link?
What the hell?
And this is the alien candle, I told you.
That's interesting. Ah, this must be you on Discord. Crypto. Oh, okay. All right. I know what happened. Oh, no. Sorry. I know what happened. Which is... What the hell? No, that's not what I'm trying to do. Okay, I know what happened. But even at that, you shouldn't have been able to see that. Something is wrong. My Discord is tripping.
That's weird.
That's probably why the voice is not working in Discord.
Oh, yeah.
They try to sabotage our Discord. This is the banks. And I even give them the applause.
You gotta go back to YouTube. Sorry.
Even give them the applause and the best decision of your life.
Like Kiddo Beat said, you had the VIP experience for 2 minutes.
Yeah, you can give like preview. You can give YouTubers 2-3 minute access to see what it's in the Wonderland, how it feels. And who of you have received the call from Microsoft Indian type? Man, they call me and they almost trick me.
From Microsoft?
Yeah, they give you a call. Hello, I'm from Microsoft. I personally call you because you have a hacker in your system and they do criminal activity.
That's a scam.
Yeah, criminal activity. You need to go there and type this and make this. Man, wait a minute. You know my name? No. At least give me my email address because I have an email address on Microsoft. I don't know that, but please go here. You can. I try to save your life. Man, I don't trust you. Wait, don't call, and then go. Fuck you. And they call it. And they block your PC and then they want money from you. It was from India. And they have like background sounds, like a lot of people working in the office, and they try to resolve problem. So be aware.
I have had
Microsoft India.
But it wasn't Microsoft. But yeah, you'll hear a lot of background noise and stuff like that, and they'll be from India. They'll be like, I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it because it'll be so racist, but they'll have an Indian accent and then their name will be fucking Bob or some white name. It's like, no, you ain't fucking fooling nobody, bitch.
And the funny thing was, I will give you my colleague from Technic because he speaks better English, but was worse. But for a moment, I feel so important. Microsoft called me directly to resolve my problem.
Yeah, it's crazy how Forex didn't tap the 30-minute demand, though. That's crazy.
Also, it's kind of weird because I was measuring the candle, and from here to here is 120 pips, both on futures and Forex. So it's not like it shot extra far, so it couldn't get back down there. It's like, no, they both moved the same. It's just, for some reason, the Forex decided not to go back down there.
I wonder how Oanda looks. Because Forex.com is the closest to futures.
Let me check.
Oanda would be worse.
Same.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Now, even if this resistance holds, pretty much we're going back up, even if it holds. Because if we go no far, we should have done it from here. Who knows? We might be seeing another all-time high today on gold. Gold might close bullish today.
Friday news, close at all-time highs. Sounds about right.
Forward candle really looks like should have went down. Yeah. When do I sleep? Spence, I pretty much sleep during the day.
When do you eat?
I eat once or twice a day. I really don't eat 3 times a day. Yeah, some days I only eat once.
Yeah, I like doing at least 2. I usually just do two meals a day. I tried doing 1, but I don't like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yesterday, how many times did I eat yesterday? Wait, did I eat last night after agent session? Okay, yeah, I did. Yeah, I ate twice yesterday. Morning, and then after agent session, I ate again before I took a nap.
Sometimes if you're like real sick, you won't even want to eat.
Yeah, that's why this time around, this sickness, I knew it wasn't serious because I still had appetite.
Oh, yep.
God is about to do magic. Guide your account very well today. Can I please explain when a demand and supply should be marked as irrelevant? So, when we have, we're going to talk about the demand first. So pretty much, if we're going bullish, every low that is formed, like right here, is a potential demand. This low here is a potential demand. And then this major low here is a potential demand. Now, to make sure that that demand is actually valid, right? Now, if you look at this 30-minute demand that I've marked here, let's go to the 30. So if you look at this 30-minute demand right here, this bullish candle, I say bullish, this bearish candle here, there has to be a gap, right? There has to be a gap starting from when this candle started breaking above the previous candle. So there has to be a gap between here and when the candle closed. If you have that, then you have a valid demand. The same thing for supply. There has to be a gap between when the candle crossed the previous candle and when it closed. If you do not have that, then that demand is not valid. Now, it does not have to be a strong gap like this. There just has to be a gap. Okay, there just has to be a gap. And also, if you have, let's say this demand that we have marked here, if this candle right here had a long bottom wick, right? If this candle has a long bottom wick, or we have this candle here, so if this candle came back down, the wick came back down and tapped into this demand, then this demand becomes invalid. pretty much, because it has already been tapped. Now, does that mean it's not going to hold? No, it does not mean that, but it's an invalid demand because it has already been tapped, meaning it has already been retested. Okay, it's gonna look different when you go to like the 5 minute or the 1 minute time frame. It's actually going to be a support here, minor resistance from there, and then we broke above and price continued to the upside. Okay, that's an invalid demand, but I still will mark it because sometimes you will see price holding if demand that has already been tapped or that has already been retested. All right, so for me personally, I really don't see those zones as invalid because at the end of the day, it all depends on what price is going to do. I've seen price hold an invalid demand or an invalid supply multiple times, but it's still good to know stuff like this so you know which one is valid and the one that's not valid. Okay, now it's left for you to be like, okay, you know what, I'm going to be picky with my supply and demand zones. Do I want to use a demand that's valid or one that's not valid? That's your choice. And like I explained earlier previously in the beginning of the stream, that's one of the reasons why I use all time frames, demand and supply zones, because if I have a demand like that that's invalid on the 15-minute time frame, if I go to the higher time frame, that demand could actually be a valid demand or supply. So that's why I use all the time frames, just like we do with support and resistance. I just do the same thing with demand and supply. It's that simple. Raja is making you laugh on X. What did he do now? You said something again?
Oh, I was checking while you were talking, and someone said to him, why would he, purposely crash his account? And then Raja said, the MAM account was on B-Book. He had profit share of Blueberry Markets. We get requests from influencers for this every day. I'm like, oh, shit.
Wait, say that again? I missed it.
Okay, so someone asked, why would he crash, the account on purpose? Raja said, the MAM account is on B-Book. He had a profit share with Blueberry Markets. He gets Raja said, we get requests from influencers for this every day.
Oh, wow.
So it's like, oh, shit. Damn. So yeah, he probably knows. There's probably like a lot of those Lambo Raoul people who want to do that and probably like request.
Wow, that's I don't know if I should call it evil. If he really did that, that's some BS right there, if that's true.
That's insane. Because wow, that's gotta be like hundreds, maybe thousands of people who invested their money into that account with Don and they lost everything.
Definitely thousands. At least minimum of 1K people for sure. Minimum.
Yeah, it's gotta be, because that's just setting up an account with the broker. There's no signals or anything. It's just like, and then he's got like hundreds of thousands of viewers on YouTube, subscribers.
Mm-hmm.
So that's a lot of fucking money. A lot.
Yeah. So only when, oh man, I don't understand what you're trying to say. Only when only when that time frame candle close in the demand or supply, then it's, oh man, you're gonna have to type what you're trying to say again. It's confusing. Big brokers are out there to get you. They go against your trades, you lose. Yeah, a lot of these brokers are actually B-Book. Well, please take over from me real quick. I gotta go use the restroom, guys. I'll be right back. Remember, we're waiting for buys.
So a fair value gap before, if that's what you want to call it. Roger called him a rat of a person and would love to punch his face. I like Raja. He's my kind of guy. You gotta love that.
It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup, find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, 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 and I'm singing like whoa, oh, oh, oh. Lit check, been a minute, let me hit the homies. 10 years, same team. Got a couple trophies, but no chains on the neck. Got a couple Cardis, we don't flood with baguettes. It's a very small world, so my hand holds. Wake up, make the money, that's a man's role. Loyalty and love is what I stand for. Can't forget about trust, but first, please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup, find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, 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 oh.
Sad thing is now even blueberry markets are slowing down withdrawal from the map. So they're not letting people withdraw their remaining fucking what? $2 from the MAM account? Like, what you gonna withdraw? It's fucking all gone.
I'ma take it easy later on. Whoa, oh, oh, oh,
10 more minutes to 5 p.m. Huh? I'm assuming your time? Something happening? Something happening at 5 p.m., Edwin? Oh, okay. I see. Yep. All right. Sorry about that. That makes sense. Some people still have like 50% of their account left because they only followed his account just today. So, okay. Fair enough. Damn, that must be a crazy amount of money that blueberry markets cannot handle the withdrawals. That's insane. That must mean it's in the excess of $1 million for sure. It's gotta be. Otherwise, blueberry market's such a big broker would easily be able to pay out the withdrawals. That's insane. Traded supply and demand liquidity with opening range is fire. Okie dokie. This is really the talk of the community, most certainly.
I think IC market, when I ask, it's like, I ask how is the most amount you can redraw was like $5 million, but I only aiming for $100, and then I was ashamed for asking that question. But they say 5 million is the maximum redraw per day, and then my $100 is safe.
Don't worry, Lucian. We'll handle your $100 withdrawal, you idiot. Get what you're saying, kill the beat, but you know, I don't care about what I talk about. It's like I'll talk about anything. You know, it's like I'm not gonna try to hamper myself to fit, like pander to other people's political correctness or whatever. But yeah, I get what you're saying. It was just replying to some YouTube people. Guys, anybody know anything about broker Xness? If you know something bad, save me now. Huh?
No,
Did
it's
something
okay.
bad happen?
Yeah, it's okay. It's a good broker, and they have 1 to 1,000 leverage if you want.
1 to 1. Oh, that broker. Oof.
But it's a good. I think it's also from Australia.
Oh. Well, Lucian gave you the green light, so you're okay. If anything goes wrong, just contact Lucian.
Yeah, no problem. In the last 7 years, they didn't have problems. Some people say it's very good, so you can use it. But I still go with IC market. I don't know why you want to trade with if you can use this IC market or fusion markets.
Oh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Dollars, baby.
Make money and go fishing. Ew. I think fusion market has the lowest commission from brokers. Yeah.
But that's lowest commissions for Australians.
Even for Europeans, I have like $4 on IC on fusion markets.
Okay.
Or IC market. The problem with IC market for Europe now I think you cannot have like 1 to 500 leverage now. Only if you have an old account, and they don't allow you to use this firm that give you back commissions. You know these firms. If you use FP markets or other brokerage account, they will give you like 30% back from your commission. This fusion market, they don't pay you back because they have very low commission.
Lower commissions is nice, but best thing is just give me the tiniest spread possible.
And the best execution.
I don't want no bullshit. I enter and what the fuck, I'm slipped like 3 pips or whatever, or I get stopped out because of that spread. It's like, nope.
IC market has like for gold right now 0.5 pips spreads. When it's news, it's maximum 1 pip.
What? No. News? When it's news, man, fucking that spread bar goes fucking crazy.
Okay, not in the moment of the news, but before and after the news, like you will go 1.5. Yeah. In the news, you can see 30 pips, 70 pips, who knows. Yeah. I tried also for 1 year FP market. This is also Australian. Was okay, but the commission is like IC market and the spread are a little bit higher on gold, but smaller on GJ. And that time I trade GJ, but now I don't trade GJ. Even the name is GJ. What is this GJ?
Man, I got a 100% losing rate on GJ this year. Incredible.
Because you didn't trade it. If you don't trade it,
no,
don't lose it.
I traded it. Like 2 or 3 times.
Losing.
Yeah.
But you need to trade it 100 times.
No thanks. I like my money where it is.
Yeah, but you will come into my league. $100 redraws. But I read somewhere that in the first 3 months, all the brokers, they will B-book you. And then when they see you make money, they send your trades in the market.
Yeah, probably.
Because even on IC market, every broker that you will go, they will tell you like 70% of the trader they profit, they lose money. And from the 30% that remain, 50% are break even, and from this 50% you remain 7%, they make money like 1 month per year, and then 3% make money constantly. Oh, it's not easy to make money, especially like Abe do, 20% per month, 30% per month. This is like if you ask a fund manager, how they think about this percentage gain per month, they will tell you it's a lie, because they make this money on a year and they're happy.
They don't even make 20% on a year, they make like 10.
Yeah.
Which is why I always say it's unrealistic for people to think I'm gonna make my $100 into thousands of dollars in a very short span of time, because you're talking about hundreds and hundreds of percentage points.
Yeah, you can have luck with big leverage.
Yeah, but you can.
With luck, in the end, we lose money, like gambling on Vegas. You can win, you can lose, but in the end, the house will win.
Always wins.
Yeah. Or maybe this is a song of Mother Talking. You can win, you can lose.
Man, this guy just said, guys, you can send your investment. Okay, yep.
What are you trying to say?
Oh, Someone was saying, guys, you can send your investments to me. I'm better than Raja. Dividends each week. Bullshit. Raja's fucking good. I don't think you're better than Raja. I think you're lying.
We had about Apex on the video, so yes.
Yes, we have people here who know of it. First-hand experience.
Oh, wait the hell, wait a minute. I said I was gonna, man. I said I was gonna, I'm removing my connection to Apex. Said I was gonna delete it and I freaking forgot. Yes, out of there.
I definitely don't recommend anyone go with Apex. I'd never liked them to begin with, but I should have stayed away. But hey, it is what it is now.
Yeah, we're better off with Top Step or Alpha Future. So if you know if you know of any other futures program, go with them.
I watched a YouTube video yesterday. Actually, I'll say it later. I don't say it later.
Yeah, man, the videos, it's just freaking insane. Shouldn't do stuff like that.
Exactly. Amazing, man.
Fast track trading is good. Instant funding, futures program, no evolution, EOD drawdown. It's crazy that there are still people in this Discord defending him. Who's Discord?
Oh, he must be talking about the Donvo thing.
Oh.
But you guys shouldn't even be, thinking about, oh, this prop firm, that prop firm, it's our last hope, our last stand. It's like, at the end of the day, you just want to trade your own account.
Yeah, pretty much. And speaking of Don, I don't think Don is a bad trader. I don't think he is. But one thing I will say is that he has a very bad psychology. He has a very bad psychology. It's either that or what Raja is saying is true. It's one of the two. But as far as trading goes, I don't think he's a bad trader. But he's got a very bad psychology. And if you have a bad psychology, that equals bad trader. Ah, come on, girl. Just come back to the freaking demand, man.
Jesus Christ. King, please open your future chart. Why? Type what you want rather than something vague.
What do you want to see, Akina? Okay, so to rectify your question, Avila, if a wick goes below or above the supply and demand zone but does not close below, then it's no longer valid. It depends on the time frame. Let me see if I can find an example here. Okay. So, for example, this 15-minute demand here. Now, you see this candle? When this candle opened bearish, tapped it, rejected it, and flipped. However, this is the 15-minute time frame. If we go to the 5, actually, let me mark that so we'll see what that looks like on the 5. All right. So we'll go back to the 5 here. Let's look for that. Okay. Now, looking here on the 5-minute, you would see that this candle actually retested it because it closed doji. On the 1 minute, this is going to be nothing but bearish candle, rejecting this demand. Now, this is the 15-minute. Now, if you look at when we came back down here, we actually did not get to this 15-minute demand, right? Even though it's already been retested, it came back down, rejected it again, and went back up because we didn't get to the 15-minute. So that means if we go to like the 30-minute, it's probably, where is it? Man, where is it? Okay, here. Yeah, Edward. So this is the 15-minute. Now on the 30-minute, this is what we have. Now, even though this is actually not valid because you have this bullish candle, the same thing on the 15-minute. Open bearish, came down, rejected, and then we flip and close bullish. Because of this wick right here, this bottom bullish wick candle, it became invalid, but price came back down there, rejected it, and held. That is what I was talking about earlier, that sometimes price will still hold an invalid demand or supply zones. It doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, this market is gonna make the decision. That's why I mark both of them, but I understand and I'm able to identify the ones that are valid and the ones that are not. That is why I use all the time frames to mark up my demand and supply zones. Okay, and that's what you should do too. As long as that the candle that closed above the previous candle has a gap. If it has a gap, mark it. Okay, if it has a gap, mark it, because at the end of the day, what you need to focus on is two things. You need to understand market structure, and you need to understand momentum. If you understand those two things, your trading is going to become easier. Okay, your trading is going to become much more easier for you. Like earlier, when we started this stream, I was looking for sales because of the momentum that we had previously. I understand that the higher time frame is bullish overall, but on the lower time frame, we had a bearish momentum. And I understand that, okay, if for us to fall, this resistance that we created here at 25.24 has to hold if we are going to continue to fall. But since it didn't hold, there's no point for me to be looking for sales anymore, because price now broke and closed above it. That's why we switched our buyers from sales to buys. There's no point looking for sales anymore. Okay, now for me to take sales now, I'll rather wait for this to get to the daily swing high. If we reject the daily swing high, then there's a chance that we could fall. G for garbage. What were you guys talking about earlier?
Oh, GJ.
Oh, GJ. I have
just talking about my 100% losing rate on GJ.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like 2 or 3 losses. No wins.
Wait, I have a buy bias. You thought I have stall bias? What are you talking about?
Oh, he must be thinking like, didn't you write cells before?
Oh. Oh, you must have missed this stream, Zaza. How did I improve my trading psychology? I got tired of losing.
Not coming back.
Doesn't look like it. The only demand we have is the 30-minute actually.
Yeah.
Oh, and Ade, what are the issues you're having when it comes to trading psychology? I'll be able to help you much more better if I know.
Oh, was he the one who wrote he was having heart palpitations during the trade?
He was having what?
Heart palpitations during the trade.
Oh, wait, what do you mean? I'm lost.
Like, you know, his heart is like pounding out of his chest. It's like boom, 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 you know?
Oh.
Yeah, for the heart palpitation, you can use aspirin. It's very good.
So what I would say is, damn, there's really nothing you can do, man. You just have issues with being in drawdown. And then I would say that actually has to do with your experience. Okay, the more experience you have in this industry, the better you get with handling drawdowns. That's what I'm going to say.
Yeah, I can talk from experience because I was in his, I think all of us, we was in, my heart was boom, 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 boom. But the more you lose, the more your heart will be like normal because you know you need to lose. So the more time you've been here, you'll be better.
Yeah, and actually the fact that you're actually, you know, trading with a, you know, community like this, it's going to help with that as well.
Yeah. Because when you lose alone, it's harder. When you lose more people, I'm not the only one. And this is the game. You need to lose. If your heart survives, you'll be good.
Yeah, and another way you can avoid that is always know what you're willing to lose, even if it's a small amount. If you say, okay, this trade that we're taking, I'm only willing to lose $100 or $200 or $500, then that's what you should go with. You have to go with what your heart, your brain, your whatever, what you can handle. You have to go with that. You don't want to go above that, because if you go above that and the trade is not going your way, yeah, you're going to start panicking.
Yeah, you can reduce risk till your heart pump is normal, and then stay like that, and then increase your risk slowly, and your heart will be like slowly normal. But you need to reduce risk till your heart is pumping normal, because usually you risk more or you make silly trades when your heart is going crazy.
Yeah, because I'm not gonna sit here and say, oh, you can't be emotional. You are gonna be emotional, but you want to reduce that emotion as as low as possible, because at the end of the day, this is money we're talking about. Money is involved, and we're humans. Someone who doesn't have emotions, for example, maybe when it comes to, let's say, relationship, and they're not emotional when it comes to that, they don't show any emotions when it comes to that, but when money is involved, oh yeah, that emotion will come out. So money is very, very powerful, so you want to reduce that emotion as low as possible. Yeah, who takes joy in taking an L? Nobody.
Also, it's like you can't change, deep down your true personality. So some people, they're always going to be, like nervous. Some people are always not going to be nervous.
Mm-hmm.
And I remember that day we were in a New York trade and Lucian was worried, and I was like, man, I'm looking at the hourly candle. It's fine. It's gonna hit 1-to-1, and we held that shit for 1-to-1. And Lucian said afterwards, like, thank you, man, because I was like getting worried. I was thinking about just cutting it, and then because of what you said, so it's like being a part of the community. When one person shows confidence, it can spread. Just like if one person shows fear, it can spread.
Yep.
Yeah.
Facts.
Yeah. It's help. Really help, because if I'm alone, man, buy is a holder, man. I'm with 2-3 pips, man. I'm done. but when we all together and you see the King journals that most of the trade hits TP, man, I hold also. Sometimes go 3 pips to take profit and count stop loss, but now I could be, when it's 3 pips to my take profit, now I could be, don't give up to this trade anymore. But it helps.
Yeah,
that's true. Putting it to BE, just all that, any kind of stress, it's gone, because it's like can't lose.
Yeah. But at the same time, you don't want to just put it to be anywhere.
Yeah. I only put B when it's almost to TP and didn't hit it. Like I need like 3 pips more and don't go there. And then you need to come back down 30 pips and then wait for another 30 pips. This is another trade for me.
Yeah. For me though, I really don't like putting my twist to BE. I really don't like to do that. The only time I will put to B is when we've been sitting in a range for a long time. We've been in drawdown for a long time, and it just crosses the entry again, and then we got close to TP, it still wouldn't freaking get there. Like, man, you know what? I'm gonna move this to B, because my mental is like, it's not really there anymore. Like, I just want to be out of that trade mentally. So I'll put it to be, or I'll just get out. Just give me anything at that point.
Yeah, and now for London, for example, in one account I want to hold all the trade 50%, but on the 20 pips I will put BE and hold for 50% for London. Also.
Yeah.
To see how it goes. But I think it goes good, because almost all the trade, like in the last 2 months on London, was going for 50%. Not all of them, but
yeah, during Asian session, I was saying, really, when I think back, London session hasn't been the same since Brexit. That's when the London session went down the drain.
Yeah.
And that would make, sense, because, it's like, okay, well, you have an actual reasoning behind why there's such a drastic change.
Mm-hmm.
I think the problem is the Microsoft guys. They took control. They only want to scam you.
Before Brexit, man, London session was amazing. I loved it. Now, man, I'm starting to like Asian session better than London.
I like it way more.
Yeah, especially this year was amazing Asian session trades.
Yeah, it has.
And they don't do so much shenanigans. The low, come tap it, go up, take this out, come back into the range.
That's why we started doing Asian session, because London session has just been trash.
Yeah, and let me say lately the volume will come pre-London, like Europe and Asian close.
Yeah, pre-London is even better.
Yeah, that's crazy.
You in love with Asian session, Gideon?
I do believe Sammy is right on YouTube. It can't break the all-time highs before news. Or I think that's what he's saying. But yeah, I would agree. Doesn't mean it can't get right up there or poke it, you know?
Yeah, facts. One thing I want to start doing with Asian session is the journal. With Asian session, I'm going to start adding like Remax, so we'll have data to know the days that are actually good for Asian session and the days that are not, because sometimes it doesn't give a setup. So I'm going to start adding Remax. London, shit, don't need to do nothing, because we already know that. Just Asian session. So that's what we're gonna start doing, starting from there's holiday here in the US on Monday. It's Labor Day. So definitely not gonna trade New York. But London, we'll see what happens with London session. New York, we're not taking nothing.
Monday's gonna be a rough day because it's the start of the week, so maybe not many people are gonna trade Asian. Then London is dead as usual.
Yeah, I'm actually still contemplating maybe we should just crap Monday completely and just start the week off on Tuesday.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Gideon. Probably just not do anything on Monday. Just come back on Tuesday. Because if you really think about it, if London session was really, really good, then I'll be like, okay, we're just going to do London only. But London is freaking trash anyways. Might as well skip Monday.
Abe does trade New York session, so, you know, if you're talking about why he doesn't stream New York, then, you know, I don't know.
Yeah, that's why I stay away from New York. Oh, just like Wal said, I don't stay away from it. I just don't trade it on YouTube. How many likes we at? I don't even know. Let me see. Oh, we are 90 likes. We don't have 100 yet. there's my answer. As a streamer in this industry, if you want that views, that audience, New York session is your best bet. It might be low in the beginning, but if you stay consistent, eventually you'll get the views. I started off with streaming New York session. If I had stuck with NY session, shit, I probably would be at 100K subscribers now. Because look at Lorenzo, he started streaming after I did. Look at where it's at now. He's doing NY session. And he's not even in the US.
Oh yeah, that's right. He's in Asia, so that must be very late for him.
Yeah.
What's the time in over there, Edwin? 4:30 p.m. Okay.
Oh, so it's like 12-hour difference from the US? Wait, is that 12 hours or 24 hours? Because it's PM over there. So it's AM. Yeah, that's 12 hours. It's AM here. Same with time to eat. Yeah, but time to eat is in the US. Yeah, when we had this two previous bearish candle, I was expecting us to come and tap the 30-minute demand.
I thought I was gonna mimic my picture exactly. I'm like, oh, here we go.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Deleted it as one. Wait, let me take a look at futures. The futures tap it?
No.
Yeah, futures got pretty close. But I didn't tap it. If it tapped it on futures, if we start breaking this high, I would say we should take it, but it didn't. Didn't tap it on futures.
That's why I asked to see. Oh, you should have, yeah, you should have said that earlier. We asked you.
Oh, yeah, I should have said it earlier, but yeah, so since the 30-minute demand, ignore this 15-minute text here, but this is the 30-minute demand on futures. We didn't tap it. We didn't tap it. You missed 30 pips before it came down? Right. One thing I don't like about Alpha Futures is the 100K challenge that I'm doing, I was up 2%. But because, if you don't pass it in your first month, they're gonna, charge you again.
Oh.
So they did that yesterday, and then my account went all the way down to 100K.
What?
I'm like, where did the 2% go? I need to send them a message.
Oh, that's terrible.
Yeah, it went back to 100K. It wasn't like I was negative, I was positive. I needed just 4%, now gotta start all over.
Yeah, that's fucked up. Does that happen with Top Step or anyone else, guys?
I don't think so. I don't think so. That didn't happen with Top Step.
Okay. Thankfully, I don't know because I passed them before that time period.
Yeah, me too. No, Top Step, I failed one. Remember the first one I got was a 150K.
Yep.
I failed that one. And then the 250K, I passed it within the first 30 days. So I don't know if it happens with Top Step too.
Kill the Beat says no.
No, okay. Man, if this was NY session, shit, we won't be here right now. Probably be above this swing high. Yeah, Edwin. If it starts breaking above this resistance now, above 25, 26, I don't think we're gonna get anything this session.
I passed Top Step only to be told they don't accept Nigerians. They offered a refund. Damn. Goddamn.
Oh wow. Yeah, same thing happened with Zangief. He's in South Africa. He passed Top Step and then they told him they don't accept South Africans.
Yeah, same here with Romania. They don't accept Romania traders for now, and we are in European Union. But
wow.
At least they didn't let me trade. Didn't let me buy the challenge.
Oh.
Yeah, at least this was a good thing.
Yeah, that's one thing Top Step needs to work on. Like they need to have it like on their website.
They have it. They have it all the forbidden countries.
Oh, they do?
Yeah, they have a lot of forbidden countries.
Where?
Bulgaria also is forbidden. Romania. A lot of.
Where?
Go to it's hiding, man. It's not so easy to find it. You need to go to FNQ and tap here.
Yeah, I'm talking about I'm talking about like right here on their front page, like right here.
Click the FAQ. See if it's like, easy to see.
Yeah, smallest print. You need like 2 days searching.
Can I trade?
I try to see if they allowed now.
What countries are eligible to earn funding with Top Step? Yeah, that must be where it's at. By viewing, so then you gotta go to another page.
Yeah, and then
where is it?
And you have a list with countries. Afghanistan, Albania, Belarus, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Bulgaria, Burkina Faso.
Oh, okay, here we go.
Romania, look.
Yes, we see it, Lucian.
Look with L and O.
Yeah, Romania. So they don't accept South Africans, South Sudan, Tanzania, Zimbabwe. I'm looking at African countries. Mali, Namibia, Nigeria, Senegal, Kenya, Ethiopia. Wow. And Burkina Faso. That's crazy. So they accept Ghana? Why would they accept Ghana and not Nigeria or even South Africa? Because I don't see Ghana here. Wow. Even if they don't accept Nigerians, at least they should at least accept South Africans. Oh. It's their choice. But it should be at their homepage. It shouldn't be anywhere else but their homepage. Because how many people look at FAQs when they want to get a challenge?
I think it should be in the FAQs, but the FAQ should be way up at the top of the thing. Like, the top bar where it's like plans, whatever, FAQ. And then as soon as you click, it should be right there.
Or
not
even
click to another page and so forth.
Yeah, or even at their own page, it should just be like a scrolling text right here.
Oh, yeah,
and there should be a button where you can just click on it and then you'll be able to see it. That would be better.
Yeah, for me, when I try to log in with them to make a client, I have an error, 404 error. They don't let me. And then I go in FNQ and ask why. Maybe you're on a forbidden list, and then I saw it.
Yeah. I agree, Kine. I feel like Nigerians and South African traders are better than Ghanaians. That's my opinion.
In reality, as soon as you sign up to, make an account, they shouldn't even let you if you're in the any of those banned countries.
Yeah. Oh, use the IP address.
Yep.
Nigerian jollof is better as well, man. So I think it's like 3 African countries, pretty much West African countries, that is fighting over jollof rice. Is Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, and I think Senegal as well. Those 4 countries, they're like, they're fighting over who has the best jollof rice. It's crazy.
What is this jello fox?
Oh, you should try. Oh, I don't know if you can find it in
It's
Romania.
a food?
Man, we're everywhere. I'm sure if you look, there's a Nigerian restaurant somewhere in Romania. Yeah, it's a food. It's called jollof rice.
Oh, I thought it's another, who knows what.
Yeah. Nigerians, we're the most traveled people in Africa. Every country you go, you find a Nigerian.
Yeah, same is with the Romanian, but at work. In every country you find the Romanian. Work in a restaurant, even in Alaska or in Siberia, you'll find the Romanian make a barbecue.
Yeah.
I'll just say, fighting over who makes the best food. Hey, that's good, man. Keep making it better. Keep making more, you know? It's like, go for it.
Yeah, the civilized country, they fight for who made the best weapons.
I was watching one of Akon's interview and they asked him, of course, he had to say Senegal because, he's from Senegal. I'm like, damn you, Akon, you know that's a lie. Man, I was so sure we were gonna take sales. I was like, oh, we might get a quick one today. Charging up for another move, possibly. Jollof rice matriculated to South Carolina, and we think we make the best. Of course, I would say I would agree to that. The amount of Nigerian restaurant we have in Houston, it's incredible.
Gideon jinxed it. He said once we start having these kinds of conversations, we don't get a trade. God damn it, Gideon.
How did I land in Texas of all places? Shit, I don't know. But it is the first place I landed when I go to the US. I've lived at other places, but I had to come back to Texas.
Okay, team. I need to go. We see you in New York.
All right, Lucien.
All right,
See you in
Yeah,
New York.
now I feel hungry when talking about food. I need to go.
You know, actually, I feel kind of hungry too.
Yeah,
I
me
think I'll
too.
join you, man.
Me too.
Okay.
I'm definitely
Guten
gonna.
appetit.
I'm
Goodbye
definitely
to.
gonna join you after this stream.
Okay. Have a nice nap.
All right. Is Texas an expensive place to live? Not really. Definitely cheaper than California, cheaper than New York. You're about to eat too, damn, everyone is hungry now.
Yep. You may be the founder, doesn't mean your own is the best. That is 100% true for things that can improve like technology, but food is a weird one. Food sometimes, doesn't get better, Sometimes it doesn't really improve with someone else trying to spice it up.
Yeah. For me personally, I feel like what makes jollof rice better is the seasoning and then how spicy it is. Is there a Nigerian restaurant in Australia? I'm sure there is.
I'm sure there is. But I haven't had jollof rice. I want to try it.
Yep, you should. I'm sure they have a lot of it in the UK for sure. Because man, there's a lot of Nigerians in the UK. A lot. I feel like there are more Nigerians in the UK compared to here in the US. Even have Nigerian tapas.
Tapas Spanish?
Yeah, I think so. If we come down to the 30-minute demand, we're probably gonna find a better entry on the 5-minute.
Also eat goosey. Yeah, I'm gonna have to write that one down. I'll never remember that.
Oh yeah, goosey is good. It's like a soup, but you're gonna have to eat it. You don't want to eat that with jollof rice. You're gonna have to eat that with like fufu or maybe this amala. But I prefer goosey with fufu or pounded yam.
Man, a goosey looks good.
Oh, you looked it up?
Yeah, I'm looking, man. That look good.
When I want to have amala, the favorite soup I like to have with that is called begiri. Or ewedu, or even okra soup.
Oh no, Bakery is the best, bro. Like I miss that shit, bro. Yo,
I miss it
I
too.
served, I served in Ibadan, so bro, the
Ooh,
best.
that's the home.
Oh, hey, I miss those days, man.
That's the home of Beggy. That's the home of Beggy. Man, they make it good over there. Like when I lived in Nigeria, Lagos restaurants, man, they don't know how to make Beggy. Nah, if you want to have the real Beggy, you gotta go to Ibadan.
Ibadan, man. I stayed in Lagos all my life, but when that year I served in Ibadan, there was this place I was always going to. I've forgotten the name of the place. I was always every Friday. I was always going there, man.
Yeah, I was gonna go to UI in 2000 and man, what year was that? I think 2004, 2005. I'm like, man, I'm in Ibadan, man. I have to freaking eat Amalang Beggy. I have to do it, man. I don't regret it. It was so freaking good. I can't remember the name of the restaurant. It was so freaking good. They make it better over there.
Yeah, man. I tried one here in South Africa. Nah. That woman was just guessing.
Even here, it's not the same. It's not the same. You thought I would be a mac and cheese guy, man? Even though I've lived here for like 10, 11 years now, nah, I'm still Nigerian. If I was born here, then maybe, but I wasn't born here. Still Nigerian. Ooh, pounded yam with the kaikon soup. Man, that's freaking good too. Yeah, I even eat that with fufu also. Akwa Ibom and Calabar, man, they make very good vegetables. Their vegetables is very good. I used to go to this Akwa Ibom restaurant when I lived in Bariga. I was working as a barber at a barber shop. And this Akwa Ibom restaurant is just right opposite the barber shop I was working. I was going there every freaking day. Every freaking day. I wasn't eating nothing else but it's either fufu or pounded yam.
You guys are making me hungry too, man. What?
Man, I even dated the daughter of the owner of the restaurant. Go to your point. Go to your point. I wasn't paying for food.
Sure, food.
Free food, free beer, free everything. Free everything. And that was my intention too. Man, I didn't like the girl, but I was like, man, I gotta get this free food, this free beer, and the other stuff too.
You're a sharp guy,
I accomplished my mission. Actually, it was my friends that made me do it. They were like, because I don't really talk that much, they're like, no, you can't get that girl, blah, 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 blah. I'm like, okay, I'll show you guys. I might be gentle, but hey, I know how to talk to women. And what made me do it was, these stories they talk about Calabar and Akwa Ibom women. I did very good when it comes to
Was it true? Was it true? Was it
yeah.
true?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They didn't lie. It's true. In fact, that's why we stopped dating. I'm like, nah, you're not gonna kill me. I had to run. I'm like, no, F your food, F the free beer, free food. Nah, I'm done. You're not gonna kill me for my money.
Oh man.
Oh yeah, it's true. Like, how can we freaking do it freaking 5 times and you still want more? Like, what the hell? That was it for me. Like, I'm done.
That one. Yeah.
Oh yeah, Caliban women, Aquariban women, shit. Man, don't try it. They will kill you when it comes to that. I'm killing you right now. Ekine, your girl is from there? Oh man, I salute you. Can you get that in Texas? Oh yeah, we have it here.
Do I want to?
Oh, Star Beer, go there. Yeah, when I go to Nigerian restaurant, once in a while, I have it. We got it here. Star, go there. Heineken, Guinness. Stella Artois any day. I don't like that beer. Alright, can I see you on Monday? Oh yeah, I like Modelo. But Modelo though, I like the I think it's like the medium size bottle because it's so much easier. It's small, so easy to open. I can just bam, it's just open it. It's very easy. Coca from Angola. I've never heard of that one. Is that a beer? Or some type of alcohol? Oh, Legend. Yeah, Legend. That's a good one. Yeah, Legend is good too. Wait, do they still sell that in Nigeria? Nigerians in the house, do they still sell Legend? A Friday month, and I should do a giveaway. Okay, it's coming. Oh, they still sell Legend? Okay, nice. They need to give away some likes. Trophy is #1 now. Trophy. I don't think there was a beer called Trophy when I lived in Nigeria. Trophy. That's #1 in Nigeria now. I don't think Google will know what that is. Oh. That's what it looked like? I haven't seen this before. I don't think I've seen this in Nigerian restaurants here. What the hell? They sell this on Amazon? Beer bar of the year. Interesting. Yeah, I didn't have this when I lived there. All right, YouTube. Don't think we're getting a trade this session. Have a great weekend, guys. God bless you all. All my links is down below in the description. If you want to trade NY and Asian session with us privately, pretty much learn how we trade, you can use the mentorship link in the description. So, see you guys on not on Monday. See you guys on Tuesday. We have public holiday here in the US on Monday. So, see you guys on Tuesday. Have a great weekend. Peace. I'm out. All right, Zoom. I'll see you guys doing NY session.
Thanks, Eric. See you later. Bye.
Welcome, guys. See you guys later.